Welcome back to the channel. Just down in the Barwon River in our tinnie with my mate Luke. So today we're just going for anything. We're just going for a feed. We're using a running sinker onto a little circle hook with pippies and blue bait. So stay tuned and hopefully we get a few big dogs. Let's go.
Yep, fish on.
Feels good. Feels good.
Hurry up. Is that a
Trevor. It's a nice Trevally. On the board, first fish of the day right there. Silver Trevally. Yep, fish on. Feels good again. Feels really good. Feels really good. Oh no, it's another solid Trevally actually. Another one on the board, that's second of the day. Looking good. Yep, fish on. And it feels very big. It's so big. What is that?
Trav. Is it a trap?
I don't know. Oh, it's a salmon. That is a big salmon. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Salmon. Yep, fish on. Little ting. Another species added, little whiting. Luke's on here. What do you got? Oh, a nice whiting. Nice King George whiting there by Luca. Fish on. Feels nice. It's a nice whiting. Another King George. Luca's on here. What's he got? A minnow, Trev. That's a baby. Yep, fish on.
Fat ting.
Big ting. Whoa. Get him in. Nice ting. And he's off in the boat. But another King George in the boat. Get him up for the cam. There he is. King George. Yep, Luke's on. Tommy Ruff. And that would be the best live bed ever, but we're not going for anything big, so we're just going to chuck this little Tommy back. Oh, yep, fish on. Feels pretty good. Oh no, it's a minnow. Another King George, but too small. Yep, fish on, and it feels good. Real good. Mini Trevally. These things fight hard, whatever size they are. This guy is too small, but love fighting them. Rightio, so we've been out for about 4 hours now and the bites have slowed down. So we're calling it a day. We finished with 2 silver trevallies, 3 King George whiting and 1 nice Australian salmon. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment anything else you want me and Luca to do, and subscribe if you are new. See you in the next vid.